introduction.
Hey you guys, we are about to do the 2012
Days of Christmas.
Days of Christmas.
This is on the second day of Christmas. So on the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Let me see. A game of Chinese checkers. She doesn't quite know what Chinese checkers are, so we're going to have to play with it later. But that's your second gift. So you have a box of blow pops and a game of Chinese checkers.
A game of Chinese checkers.
So what are you going to tell the camera?
Bye, camera. I hope you have a great Christmas.